Damn, Casper cops, Casper cops. Woo, man, damn.
Oh, it's inside. They're cops.
Huh?
Cops are shooting at them.
Hey. No, they're not.
Oh, that's gunshot. This got a gun right there, bro.
Get inside now. Get inside now. Get inside.
Just drop the gun.
Joe.
Drop it. We got kids. Drop the gun.
He's dead, man.
Call medics.
What if they're...
Drop the gun. We got kids, bro. Drop the gun.
Joe.
Shut up. Get in the house.
No.
Drop it.
I didn't even know what they're doing.
No, his head's moving.
He's out of bullets, I think.
Y'all already called medics, or you need someone to call?
Yeah, call 911. Got it?
Who on the phone, man? Somebody call 911.
He doesn't get shot at.
He's dead.
He's been shot.
He got hit.
Out, guys.
Y'all can put that away. There's kids.
Stop.
That.
It's Joe.
He dead. That's overkill at this point. Get the kids out the car. He's dead, bitch.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Y'all shot like 8 times.
No. This first time that guy was here last weekend driving his kids around in the dirt.
Yeah.
That's all he was doing.
That's all I was doing.
He's just driving his kids around in the dirt. Cops had a problem with it.
Oh, the last time? That's the only gun he
Yeah,
had.
Well, he was here last weekend.
He
There's
was here
another
last
truck
weekend. They
too.
were driving around. He had the kid right there and letting the kid steer and having
Get
a
the
good old
kids
time.
out of there. You got him. Get the kids out of there.
Oh, there's a cop down. Cop got shot too.
That's why we make freaking...
Cop got shot.
Yep.
That dude dead, man. He's gone. He's gone. Hey, officer, can you please get the kids out the car?
You could have went. God damn.
He's dead, man. Y'all shot him.
Damn it, man. Get the frickin' kids. They're right in the fire, too.
I don't know, man.
Sitting around in the park or what? I don't know whose kids they are. But then the cops got in there.
That dude in the blue shirt, those are his kids.
And he backed up. He's on the phone with somebody. And he went to back up, pulled a gun out, bap, 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 shot this cop. Dragging out that way. Look at this. Yeah, he's
They're the last to be on the scene.
Yeah.
Hey, there's an opening right here, ma'am.
Right here. Oh. Cop down. Cop down. Suspect down. Man, look at that.
Man, right in the hood, bro. Washing cars.
Welcome to Fairdale Street.
Paramedics finally
Right
show
here.
up.
Look right. There's an opening right there.
Oh, they can drive
Go all
in
the way
there.
down there. Look at this. You got to tag me now.
Hey, take the opening right there. Opening.
Right there, right there.
To the right.
Right there is one.
Past the opening.
That's quicker.